Hi, it's Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I wish you were here today with me to make these Shamrock Royal Icing transfers and leprechaun hats that we're going to put on our cookies in a separate video. I'll leave a link in the description. So using a royal icing in about a 25-second consistency, make hearts for the leaves. Basically make a big ball at the top and then drag it down to a point. And do that 3 times for each side of the shamrock, and then use your scribe if needed to settle any icing peaks. And do the same thing for the small shamrocks, a ball at the top of the heart, and then drag it to a peak, and continue the process. It helps to get the shape right for the little hearts if you turn your royal icing transfer sheet as you work. Now moving down to the hats, I'm going to outline the brim and flood that in. And I wanted to mention that I've put my royal icing transfer sheet into a sheet protector bag that I've washed, and I'm going to pipe them on that and then let it dry completely before I remove them, but we'll talk about that more later. So I outlined and filled in the top part of the hat, and then I let that dry for about 15 or 20 minutes before I'm going to come back in with my orange royal icing and do the brim of the hat, the band of the hat. I'm going to do the band of the hat and then also flood in the very top. Again, use your scribe to move the icing around, get it to the corners, and settle it down as needed. Once everything dried, I came back with my yellow royal icing and put in the belt buckle, and then I let it dry overnight, and now I'm removing it from the parchment paper. It should pop right off if it's dry, and then we'll be able to put them on our cookies with a little royal icing. I hope you have an amazing and very lucky day, and thanks for watching. Make sure to sign up for my newsletter and subscribe to my channel. Bye!